Hey everyone, welcome back. We're here with another video today, and today we'll be making spicy guac. This recipe is super easy, super simple, and tastes amazing. First, we're going to get our ingredients together. So first we want to start with the avocados, something firm with a nub on it that looks like this color, or something that looks like this works as well. Something on the firmer side. Now for the ingredients, we have, of course, avocados, onions, garlic, lime juice, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder. For the fresh ingredients, we have tomatoes, jalapenos, and cilantro. First, we're going to start off by finely chopping our onions. You want to make sure they're small and diced well. We're going to do the same thing with the garlic. The other vegetables, you can chop a little bit bigger. They don't have to be fine like this. So first we're going to start off by macerating our onions with a little bit of lime juice and half the amount of salt. You want to make sure that the onions are really well mixed because we're going to let it all sit together and soak. This will make the onions a lot more softer and have less of a bite. Now for the avocados, we're going to open them up, cutting through the half and giving it a twist. These are perfect. And then we're going to take the seed, give it a little twist, and it should pop right out. We're going to do the same with the other one. Open it up. Looks amazing. And same thing, a little twist, and it should just come right out. I like to score my avocados. It just makes it a lot easier when scooping it out. Totally up to you. You can just squeeze the whole thing up. Now they're all scored, and we're gonna scoop them all out. These avocados are a bit more firm, so it did take a bit of work taking them out. So we're just gonna scoop these guys out. One by one. I'm just going to use a fork to mash the avocados. You can use potato masher or anything else that makes it a bit easier. Now we're going to add in the fresh ingredients, which are jalapenos, tomatoes, and garlic. So for the jalapenos, tomatoes, and cilantro, I didn't dice them too small because I like having big bites, but it's totally up to you. If you want a finer dice, you can do that too. Now we're gonna mix everything all together and make sure everything's well incorporated. So we have everything throughout, and we're gonna add in the final seasonings, which are black pepper, cayenne pepper, it gives it that extra kick, garlic, and the rest of the salt. Remember, salt to taste depending on your health requirements. Do whatever works for you. And there we have it. Hope you guys like this and give it a try. Let us know what you think, and we can't wait to hear from you. Thanks.